putang ina nyo. Kahit magtulong-tulong pa kayo, baka tulungan ko pa kayo.
Who bullied you? Who bullied you?
You bullied
You
us.
bullied
You
us!
came
Oh
here.
my fucking goodness! You came! Ano ba yung
Intimidate kami kanila. Ikaw ang pumunta dito sa aming event and you let me stand with you. Bobo ka ba?
Sa mga naka-live Gen Z, ang tatapang na nila online.
Call for Marcos resign.
Wait lang, relax tayo.
Call for Marcos resign.
Ikaw! Bakit yan? Hijacker ka?
Yes, hijacking the Ivy Marcos fake bloggers.
Ugo! Fake vloggers, ano ka?
Wait muna, para klaro tayo.
Go, Alvin!
Wait lang,
Do
wait
not
lang.
mediate us.
No, kasi para ano ba, klaro ba?
So hindi kasi ang nangyari is nandito kami, hindi ko sila inaway. I don't even know him.
That's why I want to ask
Okay
him.
ha, I don't even know him. Pumunta siya, dyan siya nakatayo. I even thank him sa bravery niya, nagpa-interview siya sa Reuters.
Correct, that's why I want
Tapos
to
bakit
ask.
nag-uwi mo? Sinabi mo na hijack nito. We were shocked.
That's my opinion.
That's your opinion, exactly. This is also my opinion.
Okay, bye.
Then who are you?
So who are
Who
you?
are you? I'm Tio Moreno, and who are you?
I am Dan.
You're Dan. No one even knows you.
So you are.
Oh my, really? The fact that you are
No,
talking
actually,
about
Dan,
me speaks volumes that you know
wait, ako
me.
muna, Tio.
And who are you again? Dan.
So
Wait lang, wait lang.